Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys my makeup collection, and just before I begin I want to do a little disclaimer. I buy the majority of my makeup. Yes, some of it has been given to me in gifts and some people have given me some of their stuff, but for the most part I did buy all of it. So yeah, so with that being said, be sure to subscribe down below and let's get into the video. Okay, so I have a lot of eyeshadows. So starting off, I have my Naked Heat palette, and this is just your everyday basic warm neutrals eyeshadow palette, which I love. And this is my Modern Renaissance palette, which I actually don't go towards as much as I thought I would. This is my ColourPop X I Love Shay palette, which I love. I use it all the time. This is my Morphe 35O palette. I love it so much. It's my favorite palette, and I use it every day with every single eyeshadow look. It's perfect. This is my Carly Bible Deluxe Edition palette, and the highlighters in this palette are my favorite highlighters of all time. This is my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I actually don't use this palette as much, so if you'd like to see any looks using this palette, please comment down below and I'd be sure to film one. This is my Huda Beauty Warm Browns Obsessions palette, and I mean, the name of the palette basically speaks for itself. This is my MAC X Patrick Star Spring Collection palette, and I love this palette so much. This is my Shayla City Mini palette. Love Shayla so much, and I recently got her entire ColourPop collection, and I'm so proud of her. This is actually my Naked 2 palette. This is the first palette I ever bought at Sephora. This is my It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette, and I love It's My Ray Ray so much, so of course I had to get her palette. This is my Kylie Cosmetics Burgundy palette, and I actually love this palette so much. The colors are just perfect. This is my Naked 3 palette, and I used this palette more so like a couple of years ago when I had dance and everything, but I don't go towards it as much anymore. This is my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is also one of the first eyeshadow palettes I ever bought, so it's very special to me and I'm never throwing it out. This is another BH Cosmetics palette. This is actually Shannon's palette here on YouTube, and I actually love Shannon so much, so of course I had to get her palette. This is the Naked On The Run palette, and guys, I bought this palette so many years ago and I barely used it, but the colors are beautiful. This is my Master palette by Mario and ABH, and it is discontinued, but I love it so much. Finally, we have my Makeup by Mandy BH Cosmetics palette. Okay, so moving on to lip products, I have my MAC X Patrick Star lipstick and lip gloss in the shade Mama Star. I also have his Spring Collection lip gloss and lipstick in, I don't even know what the shades are called, but they're beautiful. I have my Ariana Grande Viva Glam lipstick, and I love her, so I had to get it. And I also got Nicki Minaj's MAC lipstick in Nicki's Nude because I love Nicki so much. And lastly, for all of my MAC lipsticks, I have my MAC X Selena Dreaming of You lipstick, which is also gorgeous. Okay, moving on from that, I have my ColourPop BFF3 pencils, and they're actually my favorite pencils to line my lips with, so that's why I have like 5 of them. I have my Dose of Colors Brick lipstick, which is beautiful. I have my Fenty gloss, which I've been through 1 tube already, my Kylie Spice lip kit, and this NYX lipstick in Dubai, which is a brown kind of sheerish color, and it's really beautiful. Other than that, I have my ColourPop lippy stick in Bichette, I think it's called, my Kylie Like gloss, my Bare Minerals gloss in Minx, and another favorite, my ABH lip gloss in Tara. Okay, so I think this drawer has the most stuff in it because I have all my foundations and everything. So I have this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. I have this one in 310. This one is a matte and 330 is a dewy finish. I have my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, which I use if I'm taking like professional pictures, so if I'm going to an event or a party or something. I have my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, which I really like. It leaves a nice like dewy-ish finish and it's very full coverage. Okay, so now I have all my concealers. I have my Makeup Forever concealer, which I use whenever I'm using the foundation. I have my LA Girl Pro Conceals. I have like 4 of them, and I contour with them, and I also conceal with them. So moving on, I just have my liquid illuminators, and this one's from L'Oreal, but I don't really use them as much anymore, but I still keep them for special occasions. So I just have my duo lash glue that I use to apply my false lashes. It's clear. And then I have my L'Oreal True Match foundations in the shades Y7 and Y8. And then I have my NYX full coverage concealer in the shade Tan. This is my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. And I also have the pencil in dark brown as well to fill in my eyebrows. And then I just have this L'Oreal mascara here. It's the Voluminous Lash Paradise. And it looks like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That was my eyebrow pencil. And then I have Maybelline X Shayla Big Shot mascara. And then finally, I have this Stila liquid eye shimmer shadow thing that I use all the time. Okay, so this would have to be my favorite drawer of all time. This is my face powders drawer. So that was my Rimmel translucent powder, and this is my Fenty Beauty highlighter in Mean Money Hustler Baby. And then I also have Trophy Wife, obviously. This is my Milani blush in Luminoso, and I think they changed the formula on this one because it's a lot more shimmery. But this is my MAC X Patrick Star Spring Collection blush duo, and it's really, really pretty. I have my MAC blush that I've been using from like forever in the shade Breezy. I have my Broken Champagne Pop highlighter from Jaclyn Hill and Becca. I have my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter, which is one of my favorite highlighters of all time. And I have my e.l.f. highlighter in, I forget the name of it. These are 2 Wet n Wild sets, and I actually used the golden one at my grad. These are 2 NYX pigments that I use when I'm doing like cut creases and stuff. And that was my Maybelline X Shayla Bowman highlighter, which I use all the time, and it just melts into the skin. So these are my 2 ColourPop loose eyeshadow, not loose eyeshadows, like, what do you call these? Just single eyeshadows, I guess, in Lala, and I think that one's K-pop. That's from Karrueche's ColourPop collection. And then I have my NYX highlight and contour powder kit, my Carly Bible regular eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. I have the Nicole Guerrero glow kit from Anastasia, and I actually don't go towards that one as much, and I don't know why. And then I have my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and my Airspun powder, the infamous Airspun powder. Okay, so for false lashes, I have my Allure lashes, and they're like Luxe Silk lashes. I have my Allure Dip Brow, like brow tint. I have my Ardell Demi Wispies in a 5-pack, and I've had those forever. I have my Cocoa lashes in the style Queen Bee, and those are really good lashes. They last forever. I have my single Ardell lashes and my Goddess lashes from Cocoa lashes. I also have my RD Beauty 3D Silk lashes in Hazel and in Chanel. This is just a drawer where I keep all of my packages that everything came. Okay, so starting off we have Del Rio, which is like a neutral pink color, and I really love it. I use it all the time. And after that, I have De Bonnet, which is like a reddish brown color. I don't use it as often, but it is very pretty as well. And Followed by that color, I have Verve, which is actually one of my favorite colors from MAC. It's like a purple, but it's not, it's a wearable purple, so it's really pretty. Followed by that, I have Sin, which is actually one of the first MAC lipsticks I ever bought, and I'm never throwing it out because it's very special. And after that, I have Hang Up, which is like a purple, it's like a darker purple than Verve. And after that, I have Ruby Woo, which is MAC's most popular red lipstick. And after that, I have Rebel, which is a more vibrant purple. After that, we have Diva, which is a red color. I think it's a matte. I'm literally so angry because I was watching back the clips and I realized that the color in the middle of the back row was actually Whirl, and that's my favorite color, and I didn't show it on camera. But anyways, this is just my KKW x Kylie lip kit with Kim's 4 signature nudes. Finally, I just have my Desi x Katy Dose of Colors lipstick in More Creamer Please, and I also have their highlighter in the shade Fuego. And I really love this collab, and I'm really happy I got it. So that was all for my makeup collection for now, and it's always growing, it's constantly growing. I'm always looking at new things to buy, but for now, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below letting me know which video you want me to film next.